Hello and welcome to this video tutorial hosted by Adam Wignall of Strawberry7. In this video I'm going to show you how to put a password onto a Word document. To begin, open your sensitive document you'd like password protecting and click on File. Make sure that the Info tab is selected, then click on Protect Documents, then Encrypt with Password. Here, enter the password you'd like to use, and then re-enter the same password again. In Microsoft Word, the password does not have to be complex. Once you've clicked on OK, you'll see that it now says a password is required to open this document. If you've finished with your document and you now wish to close, remember to click on Save first, otherwise the password you've just added will not be saved. If you'd like to edit or remove a password on a Word document, click on Protect Document, Encrypt with Password, but this time leave the password field blank. You'll see it no longer says a password is required to open the document. Again, remember to click on Save. For Mac users, open your document, click on the Review tab, and then click on Protect. Protect with Document, and here you can set a password whether you want to open the document. You can also set a password to modify the document. Again, re-enter the same password, click OK, and you're done. Don't forget to click on Save. If you're sharing this document with someone else, make sure to send the password securely and not included in the same email as the document if sharing via email. A good option would be to email the document and send the password as a text message. Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.